In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Fresher. Whether you've just experienced the most amazing spa treatment, had a fantastic haircut, or enjoyed any other service via Fresher, sharing your thoughts not only helps the businesses you've visited, but also guides future customers in making their choices. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Fresher website. Once you're there, if you aren't already logged in, make sure to enter your login credentials to access your customer account. This step is crucial as you can only leave a review if you're logged in, ensuring that all feedback comes from genuine customers who have experienced the services. After you've logged in, you're going to focus on accessing your profile. This might seem straightforward, but it's an essential step to ensure that the feedback you leave is correctly associated with your account. Look for the option labelled Your Profile and give it a click. This area of a Fresher is not just about personal details. It's where you manage everything from bookings to reviews, making it the hub of your Fresher customer experience. Once inside your profile, you'll notice a series of options. To proceed with leaving a review, you need to find and click on the Profile tab. This might feel a bit repetitive, but think of it as navigating through your personal Fresher dashboard, where each section offers different functionalities. Here, you're one step closer to sharing your valuable feedback. Now it's time to locate your past appointments, as you can only rate and review services that you've actually used. Click on the Appointments section. This area is essentially a record of all the services you've booked through Fresher, providing a clear overview of your experiences. Not only does it help you keep track of your past and future appointments, but it's also where you go to rate them. Moving on to the crux of today's guide, select the booking you want to review. Fresher offers a straightforward rating system, which is primarily star-based. This is where you assign a star rating to the service you received, with 1 star being the lowest and 5 stars the highest. It's a universally understood method, making it easy for you to convey your level of satisfaction at a glance. But your feedback doesn't stop at stars. You have the opportunity to leave a detailed review for the shop. This is your chance to elaborate on your rating, providing context and specifics about what you enjoyed or what could have been better. Your written review can cover aspects like customer service, ambience, the outcome of the service, or any other details you find pertinent. Remember, constructive feedback is not only appreciated by the businesses, but also immensely helpful to other customers making their choices. Now, why is this process important? Leaving a review on Fresher does more than just share your personal experience. It contributes to a broader ecosystem of trust and quality within the Fresher community. Businesses get to understand their customers better and receive direct feedback on their services, which can be integral to their growth and improvement. Meanwhile, potential customers gain insights that go beyond descriptions and promotional content, helping them make informed decisions based on real user experiences. In wrapping up, always ensure that your reviews are honest, respectful, and detailed. Both positive and negative feedback, when given constructively, can have significant impacts. Be specific about what you liked or didn't, and try to provide suggestions on how your experience could have been improved if you're not giving a top rating. This thoughtful approach to leaving reviews not only enhances the value of your feedback, but supports the creation of a genuinely helpful and authentic review platform on Fresher. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to navigate Fresher, to leave a review, share your experience, and contribute to the community. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to guides and tutorials. Whether you're navigating Fresher or exploring other platforms, your opinions and experiences can make a real difference.